Weschler Instruments is the supplier of choice for companies worldwide seeking rugged, highly reliable, and accurate instrumentation. For more than 70 years, Weschler has provided a diverse customer base with products to sense, measure, display, control, transmit, and record power and process functions. Weschler is widely known as a manufacturer of digital Bargraph meters, analog panel meters, and specialized monitor and control products. Weschler is also a value-added distributor of meters, sensors, and test equipment from other major manufacturers. Weschler serves customers in a wide variety of key industries, including electric power, such as coal, hydro, and nuclear power plants, as well as transmission and distribution facilities. Weschler also provides instrumentation to the oil and gas industry, from drilling platforms to refineries. Metals and mining customers include steel mills, aluminum smelters, and mining companies, municipal water treatment plants, regional wastewater systems, and industrial water processors are prominent users of Weschler's instrumentation. Rugged Weschler products are found in Coast Guard and Navy vessels, nuclear submarines, and commercial ships. Weschler serves the transportation industry with products for rail and light rail, trucks and buses, aviation and ground support. General industrial manufacturing applications include processing and testing operations, molding, plating, and welding. Weschler products are made in the USA and are sold throughout the world, with customers in North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. Weschler is a service-oriented manufacturer and distributor. Our highly experienced sales force fully understands the technical aspects of the products we sell and can help you find the right solution for your application. Your business is too important to take a chance on subpar instrumentation. If you need rugged, reliable, and accurate instruments, you need Weschler. For more information about our complete product line, call or email one of our experienced sales associates or visit our website at weschler.com.